how to create animated NFT art. So hello guys, for today's video I'll be showing you on how you can create or how you can turn your GIFs into an NFT art. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. By the way guys, just to let you know, this video is for the sake of just tutorial, and you can always play around. You don't have to copy every step that I'm going to do here, and you can always play around guys, and this is just like a little guide for you to for you to have a knowledge on how you can create an NFT art or an animated NFT art. Okay, so first things first, what you have to do is open your Photoshop, but you can always use another platform. There are another softwares that you can create. If you know how to create another platform, you can choose that one as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Photoshop today, and I'll hit create new, and I'll just put this one as 300 by 500, and you can select a custom preset as well here on the side of this Photoshop and hit create. And I'll set it to 300 resolution, and there you go. Now what we're going to do here is I'm going to upload the one that I just downloaded from a free website. So now we have our image here pasted on our Photoshop. So what we're going to do here next is I'll get this background out, I'll delete this one, and what I'm going to do is add like a couple of layers here. 1 2 3 4 maybe 8 layers. So what I am going to do here is I'll let me see here. So give me 1 sec. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color up all the layers here. So I'll select the first layer. I selected like a purple layer, purple gradient here. So the 7th layer up, I'll select this one. Okay, now we can create like a blues as well, and you can just like click this and like a color that you would like. And then next layer, I wanted to have like a, let's check this basics here. No, not that one. Blues, purple, pinks, maybe pinks. I like this one. And for the 4th layer, this one maybe, and reds. So you can always play around this software guys. So yeah, you don't have to copy everything that I'm doing here. You can always play around. Greens maybe. I like greens. So kind of like this one, and maybe this one. Alrighty. So what we're going to do here is I'll move this picture up on the very upper part of our pictures here. So as you can see, it has she has a background already. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and close this all out here and go to this window tab and add our timeline, and I'm selecting create frame animation. There you go. So we'll create it. So once you see this picture here, I want this first background picture to be our first animated background for our GIF. So I hit this, I'll hit this one. Now for our second, I want it to be this one, and I'll hit it. Now for the 3rd one, I want this, hit that. For the 4th one, I want this, and hit that, and so on and so forth guys. So that's how you're going to like change your background here if you want, and you can always play around with this Photoshop as well. So yep, and we're done. So that's what basically it. So next we can like play it. So as you can see, right, you'll see there is like a, it's like party girl, right? So it's kind of quick for me, and I want to have like a delay, in each color on each background. So what I'm going to do here is maybe I want to add like a 0.2 maybe on each picture, and we'll see what happens. Let's see here. So it's already on 0.2. So let's. Oh, I like it. Kind of more like it. So yeah, and by the way, guys, just to let you know, you can always like add an image, and you can as well like move this one. Say for example, this one you wanted to move it like this. You can actually move that. All right. And you can add another image, say for example like another guy. So you can always play around. You just have to understand how the frame works. So I'm pretty sure you'll be able to figure that one out, guys. And I'm not very artistic myself, and just this is just for a reference, guys, and I hope you can learn something from this video. And yeah, that's basically our GIF here, and as you can see, it's pretty cool. For me, it's pretty cool. It's like a party girl right there. So what are you going to do next is you hit file here and hit export and save for web. All right, now what you're going to do is, I want it to be like GIF 128 no dither, and there's an option here to save it as JPEG, PNG 8, PNG 24, WBMP, but I'll leave it as GIF. Now hit save, and I wanted to name it Party Girl, and hit save, and boom, you already have your GIF picture. Now we have to like check here if we have it like if it's successful or whatnot. So let's check. There you go, and there you go. You already have your NFT art, guys, with some kind of a pixel art girl, a party girl. All right, so it looks cool for me. So next, what we're going to do is we go to OpenC. So this is OpenC. Let me just go to the main menu here, or the home page. So once you go to the to OpenC, what you wanted to do next is you wanted to like sign in using your MetaMask or any kind of a wallet that it will give you like some of the options here aside from MetaMask. So once you signed in and connected your wallet, what you wanted to do is hit create, and it will give you the option to sign in. Hit sign in, and there you go. So required fields: image, video, audio, or 3D model. So I'll upload the one that we just created, and there you go. Name Party Girl. And if you have external link, you can always put in your external link, but I don't have that one, and I'll put in like a description here. So collection, so don't have that one. I don't have properties level, so that's not really necessary for this tutorial here. So I'm gonna use polygon since I don't want it to use or spend any gas fees. But if you have like a really big market and you wanted to use the Ethereum, you can always use that one, but you can choose either of the two. All right, and once that is done, hit create and confirm this that you are not a robot, and you just created a party girl. So you have the link here, and you will have the option to sell it. So the amount, I want it to be like 0.03, and I want it to be around starting from day to day. I forgot what they said. 10th of March. 10th of March. I wanted to have us like maybe all right 31st of March I think I think that's it. So, and for service fee, there is always a 2.5% service fee. So listing is free. Once sold, the following fees will be deducted. So complete listing, and you have to unlock everything here, and unlock, sign in. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. And that's pretty easy, right? Pretty fun to do, and pretty easy to do as well. So, and as what I said earlier, you can always play around with the video. I know you guys are very artistic than me, so you can always play around with the pictures. And I just really hope that you learned something from this video. And if you learned something, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. So and that would be a very huge help for me, and I'm trying to grow the NFT community here in YouTube space. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And if you have any suggestions or whatnot, I would love to hear all those in the comment section below. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all the time and effort for you watching this video, and I hope you guys have a great one. Until the next one, bye bye.